Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to your Yahoo account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, on your web browser, type in www.yahoo.com and hit enter. Once the home page of Yahoo opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, just on the left side of this bell icon, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on that sign in button, you'll be further guided to another page where you will have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in your username, email or mobile here, and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button and if you have filled in your credential correctly, you'll be guided to another page where you will have to fill in your password. Make sure that you fill in your password correctly and then you'll be automatically logged in to your Yahoo account. Another easy way to sign in to your Yahoo account is through Google. All you have to do is click on this Google option and you'll be automatically signed in to your Yahoo account. I hope this video helped you to sign into your Yahoo account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.